Hello students, welcome to part 1 of the series for class 10 pre-boards question papers being solved. We will start with the trigonometric questions which have been asked in some of the schools in Delhi NCR for the pre-boards which were held in the first part of December 2025. So here are some formulas for trigonometry. We know the preliminary trigonometric functions sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, yes. So if you want to see what is tan, cot, sec and cosec in terms of sine and cos, it will be tan theta is sine by cos, cot is cos by sine, sec is 1 by cos and cosec is 1 by sine. I'm sure all of you know all this, but I'm just doing a quick revision just before attempting any of the questions. Next are these formulas. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Now if we do sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square, then we get this. We follow this formula. Next is this table. We are finding out sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec for the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now it might seem a little hard to remember all these numbers, but there is a very easy way to remember it. You just have to remember the sine values. So sine values are 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1 for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Cos is simply the reverse. That is 1 comes here, root 3 by 2 comes here, 1 by root 2 remains the same, half comes here and 0 comes here. Now what is tan? Tan is sine by cos. So what is 0 by 1? 0 by 1 is 0. What is half by root 3 by 2? It is 1 by root 3. What is 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2? It is 1. What is root 3 by 2 by half? It is root 3. And what is 1 by 0? It is infinity. Next, cot. Cot is simply 1 by tan. So 1 by 0 is infinity, by 1 by root 3 is root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3 and 1 by infinity is 0. Next, sec. Sec is simply 1 by cos. So it will be 1. Root 3 by 2 becomes 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 becomes root 2. Half becomes 2 and 1 by 0 is infinity or undefined. Next is cosec. Cosec is simply the inverse of sine. So 1 by 0 becomes infinity, 1 by half becomes 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 becomes root 2, 1 by root 3 by 2 becomes 2 by root 3 and 1 by 1 is 1. The first problem today is if x tan 60 cos 60 equals sine 60 cot 60, then x is equal to dash. The options given are cos 30, tan 30, sine 30 and cot 30. Simply put the values of tan 60, cos 60, sine 60, cot 60. You will get the value of x. X into root 3 into half equal root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 3. Root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled. This 2 and this 2 denominators are the same, so they'll equate. So we will get x root 3 is equal to 1, which means x is equal to 1 by root 3. And what is 1 by root 3? It is tan 30. So your answer is B. X cos 60 plus y cos 0 plus sine 30 minus cot 45 equal 5. Then find the value of x plus 2y. Here also simply put down the values of all the angles from the table. So what is cos 60? It is half. Cos 0 is 1. Sine 30 is half and cot 45 is 1. So we have put down the values here. Now we will simplify the equation. When we simplify, we get x by 2 plus y minus half equal to 5, since minus 1 plus half is minus half. When we simplify it again, we get x by 2 plus y equal 5 plus half. What is 5 plus half? You take the LCM 2, you get 11 by 2. Next we take the LCM on the left hand side, which is 2. So it becomes x plus 2y by 2 equal 11 by 2. Denominators of both the sides are the same, so we can equate the numerator. So we get, what is the numerator on the left hand side? It is x plus 2y, and what is the numerator on the right hand side? It is 11. So this means x plus 2y equal to 11. So our question was to find the value of x plus 2y, and we have got it as 11. Next question is, prove that tan cube theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta by 1 plus cot square theta equal sec theta cosec theta minus twice sin theta cos theta. Now here what we do is, first we take the left hand side and then the right hand side. If we take the left hand side, let's write tan theta in terms of sin and cos. Okay. So what is tan theta in terms of sin and cos? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. And what is cot theta? It is cos theta by sin theta. And what is 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So these are the formulas which we are going to use. So for left hand side, we've got this. Yes. So we have expressed tan in terms of sin and cos, cot in terms of cos and sin, and 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Now let us express sec theta as 1 by cos theta and cosec theta as 1 by sin theta. So when we write sec theta in terms of cos theta, sec theta is 1 by cos theta, so sec square theta will be equal to 1 by cos square theta. And what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, so cosec square theta will be 1 by sin square theta. Let's do the division and see what we get. Sin cube theta by cos cube theta divided by 1 by cos square theta. What is sin cube theta by cos cube theta divided by 1 by cos square theta? It is simply sin cube theta by cos cube theta into cos square theta by 1. Now what we can do is, this is cos square theta, this is cos cube theta, so we can cancel it, and so denominator will be only cos theta and numerator will be sin cube theta. So this will be sin cube theta by cos theta. So this will be sin cube theta by cos theta. Similarly, let's do this calculation. Cos cube theta by sin cube theta divided by 1 by sin square theta. Cos cube theta by sin cube theta divided by 1 by sin square theta is cos cube theta by sin cube theta divided by 1 by sin square theta, which gives cos cube theta by sin cube theta into sin square theta. Now numerator is sin square, denominator is sin cube, so this gets cancelled and denominator remains as sin theta, numerator remains as cos cube theta. So this is the term which we get. Now we will take sin theta and cos theta as the LCM and see what we get. So when we take the LCM, we get the LCM is sin theta cos theta, and numerator becomes sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. Now remember this formula from algebra, a plus b whole square equal a square plus twice ab plus b square. So this formula gives you another formula out here in trigonometry. So this is the formula which I have written in black. Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole thing square. If you do it, it will be sin square theta whole square, which is sin 4 theta, plus cos square theta whole square, which is cos 4 theta, plus twice of AB. What is A? Sin square theta, and what is B? Cos square theta. So twice of sin square theta cos square theta. So sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta will be 1 minus twice of sin square theta cos square theta. because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 as per this formula. Hence, ultimately what we get is sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta equal 1 minus twice sine square theta cos square theta by sine theta cos theta. Okay. So this is the left hand side which we get. Now let us see what is the right hand side. Right hand side given to us is this. Now let us see if we get what we got in left hand side. So your given right hand side is sec theta cosec theta minus twice of sine theta cos theta. So sec is 1 by cos and cosec is 1 by sine. Okay. Now let us take the LCM, because here what is the denominator? It is 1. So what will be the LCM? It will be cos theta sine theta. So when we take the LCM as cos theta sine theta, the first term denominator is also cos theta sine theta. So here we get 1 minus minus. Here the denominator is 1. So sine theta cos theta you have to multiply with twice of sine theta cos theta. So when we multiply twice of sine theta cos theta with this LCM sine theta cos theta, we get 2 sine square theta cos square theta. And this is equal to the left hand side of the equation. Hence it is proved. So students, this is the end of part 1 of the series for the class 10 pre-boards solved question papers. I'll be back with a few more problems in the next part of the series very soon. Till then, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts regarding whatever has been done today, please leave a comment in the comment box and I'll get back to you. Thank you.